Hi there. I was using my iPad and all of a sudden I noticed something strange, so let's take a look at it. Well, when you unlock it, listen to the sound. And the sleep sound. But then watch as I try to send an email. That seems a little bit strange and high-pitched. So then I'll play a song here. And to prove that it's not just that song, I'll play you another one. So that's really strange. And if you go to videos and play this. Okay, well, it was at the end, but...
Wider, stronger appearance. Inside, you'll find many similarities to its Volkswagen siblings, with a unique feature in front seats that automatically return to the driving position after sliding forward to allow rear passengers access to the back seat.
So that's really strange, and you can tell that I'm not messing with the video because my voice is normal. And I wonder what it's like if we play the piano. Yeah, that's not right either. I don't know what's going on, but I guess I'm just gonna try restarting it and see what happens. Bye. See you later.